Hey, awesome fourth graders. I hope you are working super hard with the substitute today. I really miss you, but I know how awesome you guys are. We're going to be learning something a little different today, and it's called area model multiplication. And it's going to help us multiply really big numbers because you're really super awesome and really smart. So we're going to practice, even if we're really good at multiplication, we are going to look at a new way to multiply today. So the number is 35. Let's do smaller numbers. 35 times, and you are writing this down in your notebooks, 35 times 23, you guys. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and draw an area model in here, which means I draw a box like this. And the first thing I'm going to do is break up my number by place value. So what I mean by that, this is 30 plus 5. And this is 20 plus 3. Okay, so this is in the tens place, and this is also in the tens place. We're going to break this up today like this, and I'm going to show you why. Okay, on the side over here, you're going to have 35, and at the top, you're going to have 20 and 3. Remember that we are multiplying. So I'm going to show you here. We're doing 30 times, let's use once this 20, because if we match these, those are the two numbers that meet in the middle. This one is going to be 30 times 3. Okay, make sure you are writing this with me. If you need me to slow down, you can have the video pause for you. Next, if we meet these two in the middle, you'll see it's going to be 5 from over here and 20. So it's going to be 5 times 20. Then last but not least, we see 5 times 3. 5, and then I'm going to write 3, and I'll add in my multiplication here. Okay, I'm going to write your product or your answer for a multiplication problem in black, so it's very bright for you to see. So 30 times 20, I don't know what that is in the top of my head, but if I cover up the zeros, I've covered up 2 zeros. You can also underline them, and you can put a little 2 over here. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6. Oh, and I need to add back 2 zeros. So 30 times 20 is 600. Whoopsies, lights just went off in the room. All right, next one, when I look at it, is 30 times 3. 3 times 3, you guys. And I have 1 0, so I put 1 0 in the corner. 3 times 3 is 9, and I add 1 0. So 30 times 3 is 90. Look here, I have 1 0. 2 times 5, well, that's 10, but I can't forget to add my 0, right? This 0 doesn't count because that's what 5 times 2 was. Then last but not least, I have no zeros, so it's 5 times 3, 15. Okay, that was a really big number to multiply, but now we're going to add all of these together. Okay, so I'm going to take all of my numbers, 600 from this box. I'm going to put an X in it so I know I'm done with it. 100 from this box, so I know I'm done with it. 90, and then 15. Notice how I lined these all up by their place value. 0, 0, 0. Oh, 5. I'm not adding anything in this column in my ones. The only thing that was there was 5. In my tens columns, I have a 9 and a 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. I drop my 0 and bring my 1 to my hundreds place. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So my product, or my answer, is 805. You guys will see that you have some work to finish up and complete here today. So awesome job, and thank you for working so hard. 805 is your answer. Make sure to get this written down in your notebooks and try your best today. Good luck!